couple of cut stumps here. Shows the indication that people were here. In the search for Sid Pearce's hut. Look straight in here. Oh wow, that's awesome. Oh wow. Oh wow. Sid Pearce's hut. The old chimney wall. Oh wicked. That's awesome. So Sid Pearce was down on the Lyell highway that had heaps of property, and he had a hut up here for trapping and snaring. That's cool. It's the remnants and the ruins of the hut. Oh wow. Oh, that's awesome. You want to sit that up on the man up on there?
No, put him here. Put him back where we got him from.
Yep. That's cool. That's awesome.
There you go.
Well, Sid Pearce's trapping and snaring hut. Remnants. Tell me a bit of a story, Head.
When you look at the picture, so this here used to be a big log. So when you look at the picture, the hut was actually built alongside the log.
Right. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, so the roof goes over the log. Yeah. Yeah. So when you see how much this log's rotted away since your hut was here.
So would they have cut that log from that stuff?
I'm not sure if it. I think the log. I think that it's bigger than that.
Yeah, okay. So it would have been there normally about
Cool, cool, cool.
When you look at the photo of the hut,
yeah.
It was quite something.
Yeah, alright.
The log. Yeah.
I'll do a before and after with this. Looks pretty thick, but it's rotted down obviously over the time.
Yeah, once you see the picture, you'll see what I mean.
Yeah, I'll go to Lake St Clare and look at it.
These are burnt, or well, most likely burnt here. Yeah. But
There's one great half there too, isn't it?
it's stone work.
Yeah, cool. Oh, tin?
Yeah,
Tin.
Can?
Yeah, we found quite a few things when we were looking around here before.
Awesome.